Hello there, this is Toysa, and welcome to Caffeine Fix Budget. Hi, this is Toysa, and today is July 4, and it's currently 1:25. So, it's been a busy weeks, no months na talaga. And I barely keep up with the orders. And wala na talaga akong edit ng videos, wala na akong pa-content and all. Talagang sa shop na lang and yung tulog, yun na lang talaga, wala. Zero social life talaga except na lang yung birthday celebration ni Mama last week. So now, I feel so overwhelmed. Like super overwhelmed. And this is the look of the studio. Super kalat din. Everywhere is kalat. May bagong vinyl na dumating. So, ayan. Yan yung kalat here. And ito. Super dami na ng trash. So, parang hindi rin talaga ako makakapag-focus pag ganito messy. So, kagabi hindi talaga ako nakatulog ako like mga 4 a.m. kasi I was overthinking and really overwhelmed. So gagawin na talaga natin to, maglilinis na talaga tayo. And pinaka pain point ko talaga dito sa studio is itong upper portion. Parang messy lang siya tignan. Ito, mga random bits yan, mga bins yan. So, ito, ganyan na talaga. Wala akong masyadong i-change dyan because that i-arrange ko lang. Ito, dito, yung mga na-open ko na ng mga papers and stickers. Yan na portion dyan kay Mama yan kasi she uses my setup here. So, yan, random bits. Hindi ko na alam nga kung anong ilalagay, yung mga nilalagay ko dyan. So, I'll figure that out. And, so, my game plan is, yan, mawawala na yan. Yan, sa kapatid ko yan, balloon something, sa balloon. So, ayan. Ito yung mga packaging ko, yung puti. So, I will try to figure that out. So, my game plan is, lahat ng mga cabinet ko na ganito, ilalagay ko dyan. So, lahat yan, mawawala na yan dyan. So, I figure out na, ilagay ko na lang yung mga basket dyan and lagyan ng mga gamit and try to organize it para mas cleaner look yung itaas and mas maganda tignan. So, dito na portion is yung exclusive lang talaga sa ganito na beans. And ito, yung parang Korean, itong Korean. May kasama pa yan, 4 yan lahat. So, ihihilera ko yan. Ito, magsistay itong thermal printer at ito. Yan, mawawala na yan. So, ganyan. Ito, I just need to wipe this out kasi grabe yung, grabe yung alikabok as you can see. Kahit everyday ka pang mag-unas. So, yan. Here, ito, nandito na tayo sa 3rd layer. So, printer, okay na yan. Because I really need that as often. And, may trays kasi. So, di sila pwede usog doon. So, yan. Saktong-sakto lang din yan. So, here is ito yung, kita ba? Sorry, ang dilim kasi dito na portion. So, here, itong tray na to, puros mga inks yan ng 2 printer na to. Tapos, ito yung AVR ng computer. So, messy talaga dito. Really sorry. So, ayan. I'll try to fix my wirings kasi wala talaga akong cable management. Aminado ako doon. Ito na mga Korean tray na malaking to. I put all my yung mga wires at itong mga adapters. So, para if maghanap ako ng mga ganyan, ito charger to sa smartwatch. So, if I'm looking for wire-related, mga ganyan, tech, dito ko sila hahanapin. Yan, printers. Ito, may S-hook akong dalawa dito. Ito yung webcam, tapos ito yung headset. So, initially, nakakonect sila dito sa laptop, but na-organize ko na kasi yung likod. And, hindi ko pa naman sila ginagamit. So, hindi ko sila masyado ginagamit for now. Kasi intended yan sa isa kong future na gagawin. So, dyan muna sila. Ito naman yung external storage. So, dyan lang yan kasi ginagamit yan ni mama. So, pinaplug ko lang dito whenever I need it kasi short lang yung cable niya. So, yan. Okay, itong third layer is need ko lang talaga punasan and i-arrange. Then, fourth layer, ito yung tricky na part. Upo muna ako. Kasi, this is how it looks like. This is my cutting machine and need ko talaga siyang dyan. Because if dun, mahihirapan ako kasi may electric fan ako. And I cannot live without electric fan. And saktong-sakto lang yan na matatamaan ako when I work here. So, dapat dyan lang yung cutting machine. And hindi ko siya mauusog doon kasi I cannot reach out. And diba, nakaganyan yan yung cutting mat niya. So, di siya pwede dito kasi nakaharang tong mesa. So, dyan lang yan. So, itong corner dito, parang nagiging tambakan ko na siya ng mga random bits. So, my plan is kukunin ko yan lahat dyan kung anong meron dyan and I'll try to figure it out kung anong gagawin ko dyan. Yung iba ipamimigay ko for sure. So, dito sa pinaka-ilalim na part is okay ako dito kasi ito talaga yung intention ko. This is my stocks. Yung stocks ng laminating films. Tapos may bond paper ako. Ito din, bond paper to. Meron din ako dito. So, I'll try to, ang gagawin ko is, ito kasi yung mga containers. These are the containers sa 100 mini envelopes ko yung current version. And yan, mga acrylic keychains yan. So, kukunin ko. Ito din, mga anik-anik ko. So, gagawin ko is kukunin ko lahat ng mga storage na yan. And ilalagay ko dito kasi ilalagay ko dito, sorry. Di pala natap ng camera. So, ilalagay ko dito because I noticed that this portion is I barely use it or reach out for it. So, ito, hindi naman siya as often din na ginagamit ko. So, I'll put it there. Accessible siya pero hindi everyday na ginagamit, if that makes sense. So, yun, yung mga may malalaking box pa yan dun. Yung box yun ng packaging. So, ilalagay ko dun. Because I removed the packaging, yung puti, from the box kasi gusto ko siyang ilagay sana dun. But, it turns out that it is messier and puti siya. So, na-realize ko baka madumihan. So, I'll put it back in its box. And so, when I put it there na, so magiging wala na tong laman. So, I will put all these papers here kung magkakasya ba sila. So, Yun. And itong portion na to, just have to nag-accumulate kasi ito ng mga random bits na mga anong tawag dito, mga bagay-bagay. So, ito mawawala to. Ito, it will stay kasi it makes it mag-level pag nagla-laminate ako. And ito, these are the vinyls. Nag-restock ako, as you can see there. Yan, ilalagay ko dito. So, i-arrange ko lang. Nag-charge ako ng phone kanina. So, nandito yung stand. I know that sharing all these things doesn't make sense to you, but as I share it to you, parang nag-make sense siya para sa akin, and it gains me a little bit of mental clarity. So, all I have to do now is do it. And ito pala, sorry, my curtains. Wala talaga akong akin na aesthetic na curtain. So, yung mama ko favorite color green. So, lahat na lang ng kurtina namin green. So, mati-explain ko. So, ito, i-arrange ko lang din. Ito, mawawala na to dito. Dito naman, ito, like, gagamitin ko. So, dito lang yan. Ito, yung mga food ko to dito. Ito din, this is my tissue holder, yung mga pen holder ko. So, ito. I will allot a space for this because wala talaga to siyang home. Kaya, kahit saan ko na lang nilalagay. So, I plan na dyan siya sa taas ilagay. Kasi, lagi ko naman siyang kinukuha. Ang gusto ko lang talaga is, on the days hindi ko siya ginagamit, may lagayan siya. So, ito, in progress ko yan, ng mga gagawin. So, they will stay here. Yung alcohol na paubos na kasi I disinfect from time to time. Yung hindi ko pa natapos na coffee. And yung green natin na kurtina. So, ito, isa to sa mga pain points ko din. Ito na sa right side ng working table ko. Kasi, medyo malaki yung table. So, dito na portion, dito ako nag-take picture, dito ako nagpa-process ng mga orders. So, mostly dito talaga. And, dito, I need a few things. Like, for example, itong caddy na to, I need this kasi lagayan to ng mga hindi ko talaga napo-point ng camera lagi na lang. So, ito, mga highlighters because I need easy access to this. Ito naman yung mga sealers na recyclable. So, ayan, dito nilalagay ko yung brush at yung trusty scissors ko kasi I really need that. Ito, mga orders to. So, ayan, mga vinyl yan. So, ayan. Matabangan dito. So, I really have to organize. Ito, vinyl. Itong tawag dito, tray na to, ay ginagamit ko talaga siya to house this scraper. Ito yung mga round corners ko. At saka, sana yung isa. And, supposed to be, ito, nandito pala. Itong puller, tawag dito, tweezer. Yeah, tweezer. Dapat, yung apat na yan, magkasama yan lagi para hindi, kasi there are small items that I notice throughout na paggamit ko nito. Laging nami-misplace, kaya I decided na ito yung house nila. So, whenever I'm done using it, nilalagay ko dito. Ito yung mga random hearts na nilalagay ko sa packaging. So, ayan. Para accessible. So, itong dalawa need itong caddy at itong tray na to, dapat nandito to sa side na to. Ito ding tape dispenser, itong puncher, at itong isang puncher na black. So, at ito ding lagayan ko ng, oh my god, diba ang messy? Lagayan ko ng mga, yung pang wrap ko ng mga envelopes. So, need ko din yan. Ito mga freebies. So, nakahilera yan dyan. And ito yung old ko na tawag dito, laminating machine. I have to remove that. Ilalagay ko dun sa mesa ng kapatid ko because she's not currently working at home. So, magagamit ko siya temporarily. Diyan lang yung monitor niya. So, yan. Yung, as I've said, yung mga ganyang trays, ilalagay ko dun sa itaas. So, I guess, I've figured it out. Ito naman sa ilalim. Ito, nandito yung mga, ito dalawang plastic na to is puro mga recycled bubble wrap yan. Ito bottles to nung isa naming business na kapatid ko. Ito din bottles mo. Dyan lang yan. So ito may isang malaking mega box na nilalagay yung mga kurtina, yes, mostly kurtina ng mama ko. So it's really huge. Hindi yan super laki niyan. At hindi siya malalagay dun sa kwarto namin or nila kasi hindi siya makakasya under the bed. So, nagkasya naman thankfully dito sa ilalim ng mesa. So, yeah. Diyan yan. So, ginawa ako na lang siyang patungan. So, nandito lahat yung mga pouches ko. And ito mga tapes ko. So, itong Korean basket na to. Nandyan lahat ng mga tapes. Tapos yung bag ko. And we have here my pile of doom. So, I have to figure this out din. Ilalagay ko na to sa mga drawers. So, speaking of drawers, I have this drawer. This drawer or old drawer. So, nilalagay ko dito yung mga papel. So, yan. Puro papel yan. So, I'll figure it out kung ano yung panglalagay ko dito. I will start doing what I said para maging malinis na to. So, yeah. So, it's starting to look okay and I'm starting to feel okay also. So, here, yung kakarating lang na vinyls, inayos ko na dito. So, dapat i-sandwich ko yan in between these boards. Dapat ko siya i-sandwich between these boards, cardboards, para it will stay flat at hindi din siya maalikabukan. So, ito yung bago kong laminator. And this fluffy white, ang tawag dito. Basta, nilalagay ko dyan. Ito, kukunin ko pa to. Still have to do that. So, just a quick check-in. It's already 4:27 in the afternoon. And, look at that. Ang ganda niya tignan. Medyo satisfied na ako sa kinalabasan niya. So, here, konting kembot na lang yan. And then, as you can see, maganda na siya. Like, it's clean and calm na sa eyes ko. That corner, dyan ko ilalagay yung cutter ko. Manual cutter. So, I can easily have access din. So, yan. Ito na yun. I've already showed you the details about that. Same pa rin to. So, itong basket na to, it contains lahat ng ipang-giveaway ko. And, meron pa dun sa gilid. So, I'll show you. Ito, bigay to ni Ate Leia sa akin. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga coins ko. Wala siyang laman now kasi pumunta ko ng groceries the other day. So, I always try to anong tawag dito? To have coins with me sa groceries. Kasi ayoko din magtambak ng coins. If you've been a while here sa channel, you know that I don't like na mag-store ng maraming coins para hindi tayo makapag-contribute sa coins shortage. So, pinapapalitan ko lang or ginagamit ko sila sa groceries. And here are my binders, my Bible, yung dalawa kong glasses, spare phone, yung calculator kong aesthetic, badge yan ni Papa. May pinapagawa kasi siya kaya nandyan yung badge niya. Mas yung mga anik-anik ko. Ito, hindi ko pa to na-put away. Basta, lahat ng nandito is pag-giveaway ko yan. I just have to sort out if ilang winners yung makakatanggap kasi like dito, 2 coin bank meron akong spare. So, tig-isa. And ito, my notebook din. And everything. So, yan. I have to put. Ito yung mga vinyls and cutting mats. Ito, for the current na tawag dito mga orders. Mga notebooks ko. And then, laminating sheets. 2 set. Tissue holder. Tapos, ito yung pen holder ko. Nandito rin yung mini logo ko na nilalagay ko. Ito, planners din yun. And, nilagay ko na lang dito sa itaas ng tissue holder para mag-save din ng space. Because, typically, itong space na to talaga yung usual kong ginagamit. So, ayan. So, para may easy access lang ako. Nandito yung pen holder. Hindi ko siya nilagay dyan sa right side. Nandito siya sa left side ng working table. So that I have, kung nandito ako sa working table, I have access here. And if I'm using the computer table, may access pa rin ako dito sa mga pens. Because I always write. Dami ko nang naubos na pens. So here are my snacks because nagutom ako sa pinagagawa ko. My iPad. And ito, for current orders yan. Here is the cutting and yung natunaw ko ng kape. Kakatimpla ko lang to, iced coffee. My water, you drink your water. And ito yung sinasabi ko na ipamimigay ko din. So, ito, ganito siya. And then, yung pattern to na 100 mini cash envelopes. Ipamimigay ko yan. So, ito, current orders yan. Yung mga lagayan. Yung kanina. I show you already that. Ito, may tissue din ako dito. So, yan. So, ganyan na siya. Dito ko muna nilagay itong laminator ko para save sa space dito. And I've already explained that na kailangan ko talaga. Medyo talagang messy siya tignan if you think about it. But my purpose yan. Ayoko din naman i-put away lahat ng mga gamit na to. Because I always want, or I always need access to that. Yung tape, ganun. Yung mga ball pens, ganyan. Yung caddy ko. So, yeah. And ito, hindi ko pa masyado, but hindi naman yan masyadong need ng organization. Konting linis lang yan because I've already arranged that the other day. So, ito lang. I have 2 plastics of basura. Ito, kinuha ko na lahat ng stickers dito. Nilagay ko na sila sa drawer. And, ito na lang yung bag ko. Tapos, ito, pang freebies ko pala to. And, meron din ditong budget tracker, yung bago kong product na hindi ko pa na-release. So, it's looking good. Medyo satisfied na ako. Parang, when I finish this na, I consider this already finished for the day. Parang, ang light na ng pakiramdam. Hindi ganun kagulo like earlier na. It really is true para sa akin ha. I really agree to the saying na pag cluttered yung mind, cluttered yung environment mo, and if yung environment mo cluttered din yung utak mo. So yeah, it really manifests talaga for me. So I will enjoy my coffee and my snacks para tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa paggawa because I feel better. Another check-in, it's still the same day and it's currently 10:11 p.m. So ayan na siya. As you can see, medyo okay na. Nilagay ko na yung para giveaway. So I'm not bothered as much kasi alam ko na I'll give that away. So ayan, maganda na siya. And ito, I'm currently watching Anna Lunak. I just discovered her video a few days ago. So ito, studio vlog. Gusto ko yung ganito, parang cottagecore na studio. So I'm watching her as I'm assembling this for lamination. So naubusan na kasi ako and I still have pending orders. So yan. So, ito pattern A7, may order ako niyan. Ito ding craft. Tapos 100 mini cash envelopes. This is for the midi size for clear and minimalist. Ito, saka na yan. Meron pa naman akong stock. So, I still have to fold pa kasi. Individually fold them and assemble. So, medyo matatagalan pa. So, hindi naman yan urgent. So, ito muna yung gagawin ko. So, hi, today it's the next day. It's already July 5 and it's currently 2:34. I'm cutting to size this midi cash envelopes. This is the minimalist. This is the craft. So ito pa yung natapos ko sa minimalist. Ito naman yung sa clear. So I still have to grade it. Kukunin ko yung mga B grade like neto. I consider this as B grade. It's due to lamination. So I have to sort that out. And this is how it looks like na here. So believe it or not, that is totally fixed na. Medyo nagkakagulo na rin slowly ang working area kasi I'm currently working on this. So, yan, list yan ng mga orders. There, my snacks. Thank you to my parents for always cooking for me kasi I don't have time. Yan, currently. So, ayan. Medyo okay na siya for me. So, nababother na talaga ako dito sa curtain kasi as you can see, it's way too long. Especially this one. Ito nga isa is ganito na siya. Folded. Yung mama at sister ko kasi yung nag-attach dito. So, I wanted to like have a small upgrade here sa shop. Sa studio. Para lang maging aliwalas yung space para mas motivated ako and at peace gumawa. Charot. So, this is how it looks like. Yung window. Medyo malapad siya na window. So, I was planning to get yung Korean blinds, Venetian blinds, roller blinds, and whatever that blind. Kaso, there's a electrical na pipe dyan. So, as you know, in those blinds, dapat may i-drill sila on each side. Kaso, yun nga. And matatamaan din yung electrical line doon. And this studio or this room is not yet done kasi hanggang dyan pa yung concrete niya. And this room is adjacent to our kitchen, and yung kitchen namin madami pang dapat gawin, so it needs pa to raise kasi as you can see, short ceiling lang siya, and this is like temporary lang nilagay ng plywood para hindi direct yung heat kasi sobrang init dito. So, wala akong masyadong magagawa for that. So, yun lang siguro. The best thing that I can do is replace this. Maghahanap ako ng muted, neutral, or even brown na curtain. Maghahanap ako ng muted, brown, or kasi hindi masyadong bright na ganito. Yung simple lang, yung masarap sa mata, yung peaceful, calming lang na effect. So, I don't really need much privacy here because as you can see, puno ng mga halaman dyan, and we have two neighbors. May isa dito banda, and yung isa dyan banda. And hindi nila talaga akong makikita here because of that foliage. And etong bahay dito, basically abandoned na. Hi, it's currently July 15, 10:43 p.m. So yesterday was my birthday, and honestly, parang it's one big blur. I honestly didn't enjoy my celebration, and I initially didn't want to have a celebration in the first place because I know that I will be very busy. My schedule will be very hectic because of the orders since it falls near sa payday sale, and I know basta payday sale mas malaki yung bulk ng orders. So currently now kakaligo ko lang and I took a quick nap because I was processing orders around, what time was that? I was processing orders around 10 to 6 p.m. 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I did a quick break. Nag power nap lang ako kasi my eyes couldn't na talaga, and I have to listen to my body in as much as I want to finish all the orders. So I took a nap and now I feel energized and refreshed. I'm ready to tackle all these orders. So, and kakarating din pala nito. These are the thermal papers that I will be experimenting on because I'm planning na this is my no video, no refund thing na nilalagay ko in front of the package. So I'm planning that I will print them sa thermal paper so it will be water resistant and I don't have to kasi ang nangyayari kasi I have to cut this individually and tape them down, yung malapad na tape, and it really takes some time if ganyang manual. So since I have naman the thermal printer and that prints my way bills, might as well experiment on doing this. So I have a couple of sizes for this, and I'm planning then to print my logo here sa circular para sa mga sealers ko. I also tried the colored ones and try to see if mas gusto ko ba siya. Circular din siya for my logo. Ito, maybe I will put my logo or thank you something sealers. This one also. And ito, fragile. Lalagyan ko siya para din because I don't have control over the parcel now if I turn them over to the courier. And diba nakikita natin may mga issues na kita natin sa internet na parang they just toss them around. So maybe this will help that I will have to put the fragile sticker. So that's another day that I will allot to figure them out, how to properly align them to these dimensions. So for now, I will process some orders pa. So ang dami kong orders now, like around 30, both on Shopee and TikTok. And I ran out of a lot of things again. But these are the budget sheets. Tapos na ata sila. I guess my sister was done with all of them padding. I guess my sister was already done padding them. So, and on the eve of my birthday, I guess, or on my birthday, I decided to purchase another rock like this. Yung shinare ko the other day that I wanted to have another white rock here. So that is coming, and it's just right on time because ito, I need space because as what you can see, nakalagay lang siya randomly here sa computer table. And I need some desk space. So, kailangan wala siya dyan. And also, dito din, ito ding isang hilerang to. padded budget budget sheets din yan. And puno na kasi to, lahat ng layers na to, puno na yan ng mga raw materials and binders. So, hindi ko na siya malalagay dyan. So, ito din, puno na din to. As in, sobrang puno na niyan lahat. To the last. So, yun, I really decided na kasi dito din, puno din yan. Like, may naka-allocate na yan ng mga bagay-bagay, ng mga stocks. So, I really need, I thought that, when I was sharing that a few days ago that I wanted to buy the white rack, I really thought, parang wishful thinking lang siya in the near future. But now, the future is here. I really, like, there is a need, hindi lang siya want lang. I really need it. And as I have told you, I'm on the quest to have a lot of on-hand stocks. So, currently, out of stock na naman tayo sa minimalist and clear na mga envelopes. So, I have to do them because ang dami. I have a log. May log ako sa dito muna tayo. May notepad ako na I have a notepad list of the things I have to laminate. So, ayan. So, ayan ang clear. Ilan na ba itong clear? So, this one line means one set. So, I have 10, 20, almost 30, 28 for clear. And hindi na yan updated kasi yung naka-circle sana is the total number, but pero may nadagdag na ako kanina dyan. Sa minimalist, I have 21. So, more or less 100 plus each. Ang craft, I'm okay with that kasi may on-hand stock pa. With the craft, I'm okay with that. May on-hand stock pa naman ako. So, I just have to figure out then I have to list down here. I have to list down the parcels that yung mga shipping deadline nila. So, I could also arrange it. And ito, nakalist down na lahat. Ay, hindi lahat ng orders pala. Before I was taking a break, updated to. But now, nung nagising ako, may mga couple of orders na bago. So, I have to jot them down and figure out if I have on-hand stocks or wala. So, ayun. And this is my freebie bin. So, I also included na this trackers, A6 trackers. Ito. I've already included them a few. And ito mga savings challenges. As you know, random pa rin yan. And these are mga B-grade na mga random laminated cash envelopes na ilalagay ko din at random. Kasi B-grade sila. Hindi sila perfect as I wanted them to be. And nakakahiya din kasi ibenta. And I just decided na nakakaya silang ibenta pero nakakahinayang din itapon. So, might as well include them in the freebie pack. Thank you for always supporting me and my business. And thank you for coming along as we have this cleaning series in our studio. And I hope that you enjoy it as I did, though it may be very overwhelming at first. And take this as your sign na kailangan mo na rin maglinis ng kwarto mo or yung space mo. So, wag nang mag-procrastinate, and it may be overwhelming at first, but I guarantee you, super refreshing ng feeling pagkatapos na malinis yung space mo. No matter how overwhelming life could get, please always remember, padayon gihapon.